Okay, is this working? Is this working?
Okay, is this working?
Okay, yeah. Hello everybody, welcome back to the stream. We're going to be continuing with what I made different. Well, not what I made different. We're going to be continuing the Beyond Linux. So basically, I'm just gonna keep upgrading my system. I still am not done. I'm just gonna continue where I left off in the previous stream, which was basically just install a desktop environment for my custom Linux ISO. Well, not my custom Linux ISO, more like my Linux from scratch ISO. Why is just not turn it on? Oh, okay, there we go. That was weird. There, it's starting. Just gonna take like a minute or two. That's installed, that's installed, that's installed. Wait. I think I'm missing some stuff. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Hurry up and let me log in already. Yes, starting network interfaces. Looks. Come on, come on. Can you let me connect already? Come on, Linux from scratch. Let me connect. Are you almost done configuring yourself? Okay, yeah, it's still not done. Debus. Come on, Debus, finish already. There we go. That's what we wanted. Finally. Now, where was I? Cubs. Pretty sure I'm missing something here. Yes, this one. Cubs needs Genotids. And Genotids needs Nettle. Do I have Nettle here? Okay, I have it, but I haven't used it. Okay. Okay, so Nettle goes first, and this one then Cups. I have Nettle downloaded. Let's just do that. You know what? I'm gonna put this in the other side. Yeah, let's put it right there. I think that's better for me. Now compile. Let's see if it doesn't give us any errors. Even if it does, well, that means we just gotta do more troubleshooting. Okay, sweet. Let's do a check. Okay, awesome. We're up to a good start again. So basically I just want to upgrade my existing Linux from scratch so it has a desktop environment. I'm gonna choose KDE for this. Basically I'm just gonna continue where I left off in the previous stream from day 65. What day is it now? Oh, that's right, it's 66. Cool. So let's just install it. No, there's no issues with that. Now we can actually do this. I don't remember if I have these, even though it says it's recommended. Let's just check. Do I even have these already? GNU. Okay, I did download it. Perfect. So let's just extract it. GNU, there we go. Okay. So far no errors. Let's configure that. Ah, shoot. There's an error. God damn it. Pretty sure this was not export. Because I know it's already installed. Yep, it's installed. Yep, it's not set as an environmental. I always have issues with that. Let's see if I can find it. Let's just fix that. And there we go. Now let's remove. Now let's try this again. Okay, it's working now. Oh, hey Beto, what's up, man? Oh, I'm just updating my Linux from scratch so it has a desktop environment. So I'm doing that right now, just compiling it. Still missing a lot of packages. Like it's this system that's running right here. This is my custom one. I'm just trying to add a desktop environment to it. Okay, so it looks like this one's gonna take a little bit. Okay, so it looks like this one's gonna take a little bit. Oh, sweet, it worked. So let's do a check. Okay, that's really good news. Pass, 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 pass. compile, 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 compile. Oh, this is a big test. I didn't think it was gonna be that big. So far, no errors. That makes me feel more positive of what's gonna be happening. Come on, don't stay there stuck. Oh gosh. Come on, don't stay stuck in there. Please continue. Pretty please. Awesome. Just keep passing. That makes me more confident that I have everything. I'm not missing anything. Hell, this is supposed to have 1,000 packages, but I do not need that many packages for what I want to do. Like, I'm pretty sure I already downloaded, like, how many? Because of dependencies, like around 50 packages, so that's like 950 packages left. But I just want to do a desktop environment, nothing else. I already upgraded it to system D. Added some extra packages due to that, more dependencies plus dependencies and dependencies. Now I just need to get this to work, install the other parts so I can actually continue with the desktop environment. These are just dependencies. This is really gonna take a little bit. This might take a few hours. Jeez, this test is long. Sometimes I regret just doing the make check test. But I want it to work, so I gotta be pretty sure that's not gonna have any issues. Come on, don't give me any errors. There's nothing in. Just give me the pass. That makes me more feel that I'm not missing anything from here. There's no. Because if one of these fails, there's not even here a little message that literally says one is coming now to fail. So it's more like you can ignore it. I just hope that's not the case. I'm pretty sure that's not the case. we are connected by SSH to the system, so it's easier just to copy stuff. Because honestly, doing this directly from here, that's gonna take a long time. I don't want to do it like that, so it's better just to copy and paste that. Oh god, please don't be like the other tests. 78,000 tests. And that took like 2.5 hours. Day 60. Oh yeah. Yeah, mostly the title was different because I was doing other stuff, but since now I'm just doing this, I did make a previous video to compile my system. Like my system is already compiled, so I'm just upgrading it. Yeah, we're the funny thing, day 66 reminds me of Execute Order 66 from Star Wars. Usually I was just like the stream. Mostly I would do other different configurations for computers, but since I've been focusing a lot of doing this, so I just changed the stream to do this. So yeah, it's been a couple of days. Oh my god, could this hurry up? No, I should not even rush this. This is gonna take a long time. Honestly, a simple test took 2.5 hours just to compile and check itself. I'm surprised there's no errors so far, and it's only been, what, 23 minutes. Sometimes these tests just make me go crazy. Oh, just hurry up and finish. Like you can't actually skip the test if you're that confident that you're not gonna have any issues. Then go right ahead and do it. But honestly, whenever something like that I do it, I feel that I've forgotten something because every time I see like, oh look, there's packages. But then it says optional. Okay, we can skip those. But then the recommended ones. Oh no, we need to install more dependencies and more dependencies. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. Pods. I'm sorry. Not sure how to pronounce that name of the chat. If you do hear the chat, like if anybody does comment, you have any questions, just ask away, don't hesitate. Because I do have like a little bot that notifies me that someone did wrote on the chat. Oh wait, what is that? Fail, system override compress certificate. Why did that fail? Why did that fail? There has to be an explanation here. So one fell. Okay. No, that if you do not install the standard version shipwin, this will be used instead. I think it's because I don't have everything. Okay. No matter. One literally fell. Let's see if there's going to be any issues. Please. We're good. Now we can actually do this one. Oh, we don't have it downloaded? Okay. Yeah, we don't. You want the kernel to use this. I'm pretty sure we shouldn't have any issues. If you want to add a user to the cub administrator group, run the following command as the root. Sure, we could add myself as my user. There. XBD utils. I don't remember if I did. We'll take a chance. Now let's configure it. Oh, hey John. Nice to see you again, man. How's it going? Oh, that's alright, dude. Well, basically, I am trying to upgrade my Linux from scratch system, which is this one that I have right here. But I'm connected to it via SSH, so I can just manage it here. So I'm trying to upgrade it. I changed the system to systemd, and now I'm just adding a desktop environment to it. So maybe in the next couple of hours or in the next few days, this might have already a desktop environment. So that's just what I'm doing right now. It's gonna take me a few hours or more, or even days, just to see if everything's alright. Yeah, it's just compiling everything. Everything that I'm missing. this package install icons file into the head. You can improve system performance by updating this. For the update, you must have GTK install and issue the following command. Do I really need to have this? Let me see that. Jeez. Does it say that I need that here? No, so I'm just gonna skip that. Okay, that's done. Awesome. Now we're gonna do... Oh wait, that's right. I gotta do this first. So I think I now should be able to run this big one. So I did try to do it last time. I gotta remove it and try it again. This one's a big file. How big is this file? This is a gigabyte file, so there's a lot of stuff in here. But yeah, so far, yeah, this is just my Linux, my Linux from scratch distro. I have been editing it, doing a lot of customization for it. Even added the logo from the YouTube to the distro. So I can show that in a few minutes. Once this is done here. There we go. So if I wanted to do this, fast switch, awesome, it still works. Perfect. Oops, I gotta extract this. Well, that finished extracting. I need to do the following commands. I'm pretty sure I'm missing something. So this is the part where I'm being stuck for days. Dedication is amazing. I wish I had this kind of dedication. I've been working on one of those DIY EMPs and the project blew up and I've been too lazy. It blew up on you? Holy crap. You put in the wrong voltage or something? Jeez. But thank you for the dedication. Really appreciate that. Yeah, I don't usually do much electricity stuff. I feel that it's just dangerous and risky. Cause I remember some time back, I had a motherboard, and I didn't notice, but the power supply was damaged. So I tried to turn it on using like a pick to make contact, like something like this. And when I tried to turn it on, one of the capacitors blew up, and my ears were ringing for like 20 minutes, like bam. And I just destroyed a power supply. The motherboard still works, but the power supply, I didn't have another one, so that was frustrating. I just gotta, like, the more you fail, the more you gotta do it. Dedication is a priority. Consistency, I would say, is like the key effort here. I do try to take breaks when I'm doing this, but honestly, I don't think I'm gonna take another break anytime soon. I already was on a break, now I'm literally back to do this again. Yes, we already know the issues, whatever happens, yada yada yada. I'm pretty sure this is gonna fail because I am missing some environment variables, I think. Let's just hope it doesn't fail because this is a really big package. Oh, really? Then why don't you just show the process live on a live stream? I would say good. Well, I would say give it a try, because honestly, I never done this before, and now I'm literally doing it. I'm pretty sure there are other enthusiasts, people that like the same stuff that you do, and you might be able to find like some passion about that since you like that. I literally do this kind of stuff because I consider myself a troubleshooter of computers. Hell yeah. It is good things to try. It is good to try new things. Maybe, well, these stuffs fail a lot of times, so I just gotta like work my way around it. At least that's just what I tell myself. The more you fail, the better you get, because you already have the experience on how to deal with it. You don't need to you don't gotta show yourself. You just gotta show the process. Like this camera here, I just have it because sometimes I want to show like some projects and I'll do it live. Like say last time I was doing something different. I was trying to show this. I thought this Raspberry Pi was dead, but it actually works on a different live stream that I did. So let's just go ahead and try it. Why not? Yeah, do it. Just take action. Because I was feeling the same way. Like I don't think that's gonna work. Like, I just don't have enough confidence in myself to do that. But then I decided to stop thinking about it, and you know what? I'm just gonna do it. And here I am now, just doing it. Everybody has their different tastes, but there's somebody that likes what you're doing. Because if it wasn't working, then I wouldn't be doing this. But I think it's working. It just takes time. Process takes time. Just don't blow yourself up. It's crazy. Electricity is just a crazy topic that I like, but I think it's just dangerous to me. I wouldn't touch it. This is gonna take a time. This is gonna take a long time. So I'm just gonna put this right here. You seen people on Instagram? You don't gotta do every platform. Just pick one that sticks to you. Like I would just say, just focus on one thing and just keep doing it. Oh my god, it's gonna compile 11,000 stuff. 11,000 stuff, look at that. Please don't fail, because last time this fell halfway, and this is gonna take a few hours. Oh god. Yeah, I'm gonna put this in the full screen, because this is gonna take a long time. This is a 1 gigabyte package. I'm pretty sure I don't even have everything, so it's gonna fail. Already fell on me last stream 7 times, so this is a possibility. Yeah, but if anybody's like interested to make like your own Linux from scratch, you can just read the book, or you can. I did make like a script, an automatic script, just to like install it on your system. You can check that out on my GitHub. Basically, that script is this one that I'm trying to upgrade right now. So yeah, it's just not, it doesn't have a lot of things, but it works. That's the thing, it works. But if you do use the script, be advised, it takes like 2 to 3 hours just to compile the entire thing, and you do need to be prompted, so that's a lot of time. So you can check out that script that I made it using a lot of notes. I think it took me the first time that I did it, it took me like 3 or 4 days, something like that. And then I just wanted to make a script out of it, because I'm like, okay, well hell, if I'm gonna do this like a lot, then let's just try to upgrade it. Now I'm upgrading the system. Now this is the part that takes a long time, upgrading the system. This is not planned, this is more like, let's see if it actually works. That's like the experience here. Will it work? Even though this package, well, this book, Beyond Linux from Scratch, supposedly it has over 1,000 plus packages. And I'm pretty sure that you don't need all of them, you just need what you want to install. But still, man, it's 1,000 plus packages. The first book, which is the one that I did, supposedly it's only 88 packages. Or 90. So that's literally 15 times a lot. I just added like 50 new packages, nothing else. Hi, Strawberry, how's it going?